100 Spanish officers fired equals 10 LNGs 141. Why have these 4 units of a very well-known international LNG company have made redundant and pay, I think it's 14 million euros for redundancy payment. It is really in the press, you can check it out. And then, why can we be magicians and turn 4 LNG dismissed all of those 100 officers, so that's about 25 officers per ship. Then, how could we turn those doing magic towards 10 LNGs tomorrow for you, dear ship owner? Spanish flag, same situation. Well, it's very simple. We have been really very amused and surprised that they are going to pay 14 million euro to make these 100 Spanish officers redundant. Yeah. So then, could you, dear ship owner, turn these 4 units into 10 units? Well, I think we could. Yeah. You can call Jose the magician. Yes, this is natural something that we have going in Candina. And how? Well, if we need, let's say, 4 deck, 4 engine, that's 8, plus team B, that's 16. Let's go for team A only. So we need 8 officers for 10 ships, that's 80. Very simple. So if we have 100, we can turn 4 ships to 10 LNGs. Is it complicated? Then we're going to start setting cadets. There are about 300 Spanish cadets available today. Ratings, we do Filipino ratings. We know the working permits and the Spanish payrolls are complicated issues, but for a fleet of 10 LNGs, let's say some ship managers charge about 7,000 euros per month. We could be talking about 4 if we got the 10 bulk. Yeah. Then, is it complicated to really get in touch today with these LNG 100 officers that are redundant, looking for a job, and then telling them, hey, why don't you contact Candina, and then let's go tomorrow for this fleet of 10 LNGs? Dear ship owner, things could be really complicated, really AI, and really simple, because whoever is first, dear ship owner, gets the prize. Thank you. Bye.